Hello, it's Mailbox Money Time. Before we dive in, be sure to subscribe and share your thoughts on this income wealth opportunity, suitable for individuals of all ages. Remember, your thoughts determine what you want, but your action determines what you get. For more information, visit us at www.greenenergywealth.com. If I could show you a way to make $5,000, $10,000, or $30,000 monthly, would you want to know about it? Well, if you're tired of being broke, then now you can do something about it. I'm searching for 40 leaders who are fed up with programs that have let them down. In a billion-dollar industry, there are 3 startup levels. Just pick what's best for you. This outstanding program is a high-ticket affiliate money-making opportunity. You can enroll at 3 different levels. I will personally create a video commercial for you when you start at level 1 or 2, free of charge, just like the one you're watching now. All you need to do is help people switch to green energy for their homes, businesses, security alarms, and more. Just mail my flyers and postcards. The solar industry is one of the most lucrative opportunities today. With high demand, low market penetration, a transferred spending service, it's a no-brainer for clients. Plus, it's recession-proof and offers very lucrative compensation. With low market penetration, no upfront out-of-pocket costs, tax credits, and the ability to lower a customer's monthly bill on a service they can't live without, it's an amazing business opportunity and a no-brainer for clients. Here's how it works. Start earning real money in just 3 simple steps. No computer needed. I will personally guide you through the process. 3 amazing levels to pick from. Enroll as a builder package for just $199 one time and $99 per month for your website, back office, training, and more. Here's what you get. Nationwide solar business. Nationwide ADT business access to all tech and trainings. Unveiled rewards membership. Smart Money Club membership. This is the best offer. Unlimited access to earnings at this level. Level 2, enroll as a consultant. Here's what you get. Nationwide solar business. You get to offer nationwide ADT system. Business access to all tech and trainings. This is the second best offer. And earnings at this level. Level 3, enroll as an free affiliate, refer solar deals. Earn $500 or $1,000 commissions per install. We speak to homeowners about solar panels, collect the customer's electricity bill, and schedule a meeting with a solar professional and the client to explain their options. Note, you are limited to only $500 or $1,000 commissions. You do not need to have sales experience. A solar professional will do all the work and you get paid. You do no installing. When the sale is completed and the panels are installed, you will receive a payment of $500 to $1,000. And all you did was mail a postcard, flyer, or use one of my other God-given ideas to come. Question, can you place a stamp on an envelope or postcard? That's right. Simply mail our hot money-making flyers and postcards, and you'll have your very own business in a box, or post online to social media. Having an alarm system at home and at your business has become a must. With increasing crime rates, the security industry has exploded and alarm system sales have never been easier. Many home services companies have partnered with us for home security and solar energy and solar panels to offer the service to their existing and new clients. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Join us today and start earning by helping others go green. For more information, visit us at www.greenenergywealth.com. Call or text 346-704-1754. If the lines are busy, leave us a detailed message and we will return your call. Here's a quick recap. You'll mail our hot money-making flyers or postcards, and when someone joins, you get paid. Plus, with my sign-up bonuses, you receive $1,000 in grocery coupons of your choice, which can save you big bucks on your grocery bill, or $1,000 in fast food restaurant savings. This business is suitable for individuals of all ages. Visit us at www.greenenergywealth.com. Call or text 346-704-1754. Be sure to subscribe and share your thoughts on this video.